Hi everyone, I'm Jan Golo, and today I'm going to teach you guys about syntax sentences. There are four types of syntax sentences: a simple sentence, a compound sentence, a complex sentence, and a compound complex sentence. Each type has their own goals, and they are used very often for each author in every piece of literature. Today, you're going to learn the definition of each sentence, definition of this sentence, why is this sentence relevant, and an example of each. Let's start off with a simple sentence. Definition of a simple sentence: a sentence consisting of only one clause with a single subject and predicate. This means it's a sentence with one subject and one predicate. It's less detailed than any other types of sentence. Why is a simple sentence relevant? It creates tension because it's short. The meaning is clear and easy to understand. You don't need a lot of knowledge to understand the meaning from this sentence. Here are two examples of a simple sentence. Cedric waited for the train and the dog ran. As you see in these examples, you don't need a lot of knowledge to understand that Cedric waited for the train and the dog ran. It's very simple. Compound sentence. Definition of a compound sentence: a sentence with more than one subject or predicate. This means it's more detailed than the simple sentence. There are multiple subject and predicate, not like the simple sentence who has only one of each. There it is multiple, and it's composed of two or more separate elements. Why is a compound sentence relevant? Is to add expression and to make a simple sentence more persuasive. Here are two examples of a compound sentence. He ran out of money, so he had to stop playing poker. And I really need to go to work, but I'm too sick to drive. As you see in these examples, there are a comma in between both simple sentence. Both simple sentence connected make a compound sentence. Same thing at the second one. I really need to go to work. This could be two simple sentences, but connected with a comma makes it a compound sentence. Third one, complex sentence. The definition of complex sentence: a sentence containing a subordinate clause or clauses. This means the sentence is consisted of many different connected parts. Why is a complex sentence relevant? It creates communication, and it's an effective way to show that one idea takes precedence over another idea. Example of a complex sentence: although he was wealthy, he was still unhappy. She returned the computer after she noticed it was damaged. Same thing here. Both simple sentence with a comma in between makes a complex sentence. Compound and complex are very similar. Compound complex sentence. Definition of a compound complex sentence: a sentence having two or more coordinate clause, independent clause, and one or more dependent clause. This means it's the most complicated sentence. There are more details than any other types of sentence. Why is a compound complex sentence relevant? It's a great deal to explain how, why, or when something happened. Express longer and more complicated thoughts, not like the simple sentence or it's only basic. And there's more part than any other types of sentence. Here's an example. Because the soup was too cold, I warmed it in the microwave. There are many more types than the simple sentence. She likes to sleep, but she can get up early if she has to work. Thank you guys for listening, and I hope you know how to use and all the definitions of these types of sentence, and you can use it in your next project. Thank you.